Okay, I got the movement put back together without the springs, so I can check the gear play, make sure everything's working fine. And I found another one that was a little tight, but I fixed it, so everything's moving fine now. It's a little stiff. I'm still working on it. I'd like it to spin a little more freely, but I think we're pretty close to getting it there. You just gotta watch. You don't want to overbroach the pivot holes, because then you'll end up rebushing it because you'll make it too loose. It's just a fine line there. You gotta. I mean, that's okay there. That's okay there. It's moving just a little bit. That's what you want. You just gotta be careful. It's kind of a little. You get the feel for how you gotta do it. It just takes time to make sure. But I'm pretty sure I got it here. It's spinning pretty good. So the next step is to get the springs back in it, and then we can get on the test stand and start timing it out with the beat counter and making sure that the pendulum's going to work right. All right, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.